Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of my 30 days 30 AI fashion tools challenge. Yesterday we worked with the fabricant to create a garment from sketch to video. Today we are taking a very different route with Google Gemini's Nano Banana, a tool that's all about fast visuals and editorial style outcomes. Instead of showing you technical workflows, I'll take you through a full fashion editorial pipeline from moodboard, model, store display, all the way to a magazine spread. Let's get started. I started off in Canva to create my mood board. For this one, I pulled in a few key elements. This mix gave me a strong starting point for the vibe I wanted to create. Next, I shared this mood board with ChatGPT and asked it to generate a detailed prompt. Once I had the prompt, I took it straight into NanoBanana to bring the idea to life. I uploaded the prompt into NanoBanana and here's the first image it generated for me. Once that was ready, I let NanoBanana keep working in the background and it generated 4 to 5 more beautiful outcomes. Here they are. You can see the consistency in the model's face, the garment styling, and the editorial background. That's the strongest part of this tool. It gives you multiple usable outcomes in minutes. Now, I wanted to take it further. What if these garments weren't just on the model, but displayed in a store setting? So, I created another Canva mood board, this time with all the garment references plus a store background. Again, I sent it to ChatGPT for a prompt, then moved it to NanoBanana. Here's the first generated image, and alongside that, here are all the outcomes. You can see the garment hung neatly in the store with the model also placed in the environment. The outputs are really impressive, almost like a futuristic retail campaign shoot. After getting the store visuals, I also asked NanoBanana to generate multiple angles and close-ups of the model, different poses, details of the garment, and even tighter editorial shots. This part felt like a real fashion photo shoot. I could build a campaign deck just from these variations. Finally, I wanted to package all of this into something bigger, a fashion magazine spread. For this step, I gave NanoBanana a very simple but detailed prompt. Photorealistic mockup of a luxury fashion magazine opened on the table. The magazine features a futuristic fashion lookbook spread. Inside pages show multiple editorial style photos of a model wearing the ombre green pleated gown with gemstone earrings and green strappy heels. And here's the result. A beautiful mock-up that looks like it belongs in a real fashion magazine. Not only did NanoBanana give me the first spread, but it also gave me multiple variations, each one with slightly different layouts, close-ups and compositions. This step really tied everything together, from a Canva mood board, model wearing the garment, store displays, detailed editorial shots, and finally into a polished magazine lookbook. And just like that, we created a full fashion lookbook ready for print entirely with AI. If you are a designer, this is a really good way to simulate a campaign photo shoot without needing models, studios, or photographers. That's it for day 2. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Would you build your own fashion editorial with NanoBanana? I'll see you tomorrow again with day 3 and another AI fashion tool.